Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels more challenging than it used to? Or that lifting groceries requires more effort than before? If you're over 60, you might be experiencing muscle loss without even realizing it. But what if I told you that 5 simple fruits from your local grocery store could help you rebuild muscle strength naturally? Today, I'm sharing 5 scientifically backed fruits that can fight muscle loss and keep you strong, active, and independent as you age. The most surprising one is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Before we start, hit that like button if muscle weakness affects your daily activities. Subscribe for more health solutions and share this with someone who needs to stay strong after 60. Tell me in the comments which of these fruits you already eat and how old you are. I read every comment and love hearing from you. Now, let's discover these muscle-building powerhouses. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making health decisions. Fruit number 1. Let's start with the avocado, that creamy green fruit you might enjoy on toast or in salads. While most people know avocados are heart-healthy, few realize they're secretly one of your most powerful weapons against age-related muscle loss. This fruit packs a nutritional punch that directly targets the underlying causes of muscle weakness in older adults. The magic lies in its unique combination of healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to protect and strengthen your muscle tissue. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same healthy fats that make olive oil so beneficial. These fats fight chronic inflammation, which is one of the silent enemies of muscle health as we age. Think of inflammation as a slow-burning fire inside your body that gradually breaks down muscle tissue. When you eat avocados regularly, you're essentially putting out this fire and giving your muscles a fighting chance to stay strong and functional. Avocados contain more potassium per serving than bananas, and this mineral is essential for proper muscle function. Potassium works with magnesium, another mineral found in avocados, to ensure your muscles contract properly and avoid painful cramping. Inside every avocado, you'll also find vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that acts like a shield around your muscle cells. This vitamin protects your muscles from oxidative stress, which is the wear and tear that happens naturally as we use our muscles. The fiber in avocados also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy-draining sugar spikes that can leave you feeling weak. Research has shown that older adults who consume more monounsaturated fats like those in avocados have lower rates of frailty and better overall mobility. Another study found that lutein, a natural compound in avocados, was directly linked to improved muscle strength and physical function in seniors. This means eating avocados doesn't just maintain your current muscle mass, it can actually help improve how well your muscles work. The beauty of avocados lies in their versatility. You can eat them sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or added to salads. Fruit number 2. Now let's talk about tart cherries, those ruby red gems that pack an incredible punch when it comes to muscle recovery and pain relief. Unlike their sweet cousins, tart cherries are usually consumed as juice or in dried form and contain powerful natural compounds for fighting muscle soreness and inflammation. If you wake up stiff in the morning or feel achy after light physical activity, tart cherries might become your new best friend. The secret weapon in tart cherries is a group of compounds called anthocyanins, which give these fruits their deep red color. These natural antioxidants dramatically reduce inflammation throughout your body, particularly in your muscles and joints. Chronic inflammation is like having a low-level fire constantly burning in your body, slowly wearing down your strength and mobility. Tart cherries work like a natural fire extinguisher, cooling down this inflammation and giving your muscles the chance to heal and rebuild. Multiple clinical studies have followed athletes who drank tart cherry juice before and after intense exercise, and the results were impressive. These athletes experienced significantly less muscle soreness and recovered much faster than those who didn't consume the cherry juice. If tart cherries can help people who run marathons recover more quickly, imagine what they can do for those of us who simply want to maintain our mobility and live pain-free. Research found that runners who drank tart cherry juice for 7 days before a race experienced much less pain afterward and felt stronger sooner. Another study focused on older adults found that tart cherry juice helped reduce markers of inflammation and muscle damage without any negative side effects. Whether you enjoy daily walks or do light stretching at home, tart cherry juice can help your muscles recover more quickly and reduce that lingering soreness. Tart cherries offer another unexpected benefit: better sleep. These cherries naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Many older adults struggle with sleep, and poor sleep directly impacts muscle recovery and strength. Your body does most of its muscle repair work while you sleep, so getting quality rest is crucial for maintaining muscle mass as you age. Drinking a small glass of pure tart cherry juice in the evening has been shown to improve both sleep duration and quality. Fruit number 3. Let's move on to the pomegranate, that jewel-like fruit filled with ruby red seeds that burst with flavor and health benefits. These small but mighty seeds contain a unique combination of compounds that work together to improve blood flow, reduce muscle fatigue, and help your muscles recover more efficiently from daily activities. While pomegranates might seem exotic, they're actually one of nature's most powerful tools for supporting muscle strength and endurance as we age. The magic of pomegranates lies in their incredibly high concentration of antioxidants, particularly compounds called polyphenol. These natural substances protect your muscle cells from oxidative stress that naturally occurs as we use our muscles throughout the day. Oxidative stress is one of the main culprits behind muscle fatigue and the tired feeling you get after even light physical activity. When your muscles are constantly under this stress, they become less efficient and take longer to recover. What makes pomegranates truly special is their ability to improve blood circulation throughout your body. The compounds in pomegranates naturally boost the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and expand. When your blood vessels are more open, more oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscle tissues. This improved circulation means your muscles get the fuel they need to work properly and recover quickly after use. Research has shown that older adults who consumed pomegranate extract before physical activity experienced less fatigue and had better endurance. Another study found that pomegranates helped reduce muscle soreness and improved recovery times, even in people who weren't doing intense exercise. This is encouraging news for anyone who simply wants to maintain their ability to walk, do household chores, or enjoy light physical activities without excessive fatigue. Beyond muscle health, pomegranates support mitochondrial function, which is how efficiently your cells produce energy. Think of mitochondria as tiny power plants inside every cell. The more efficiently these power plants work, the more energy you'll have for daily activities. You can enjoy pomegranates by eating the seeds fresh, adding them to salads or yogurt, or drinking 100% pure pomegranate juice limited to 4 to 6 ounces per day. Fruit number 4. Now let's talk about prunes, those wrinkled dried plums that most people think of as just a digestive aid. Recent research has revealed that prunes contain some of the most powerful natural compounds for maintaining and even building muscle mass as we age. Don't let their humble appearance fool you. These fruits pack a nutritional punch that can help keep your muscles strong and resistant to age-related decline. The secret power of prunes lies in their rich concentration of antioxidants, including compounds like chlorogenic acid and rutin. These substances fight the oxidative stress and inflammation that gradually break down muscle tissue over time. When you eat prunes regularly, you're providing your muscles with protective compounds that help prevent cellular damage that leads to weakness and muscle loss. This protection is particularly important for older adults whose bodies become less efficient at repairing muscle damage. Here's where prunes get really interesting. Scientists have discovered that the polyphenol in prunes may actually stimulate muscle growth by activating IGF-1, which stands for insulin-like growth factor. This hormone plays a crucial role in building and maintaining muscle tissue throughout your body. As we age, our natural production of IGF-1 tends to decline, contributing to muscle loss. By eating prunes regularly, you may help your body maintain or even build new muscle fibers. Laboratory studies have shown that prune extracts can significantly increase muscle cell size and improve protein synthesis, which is how your body builds and repairs muscle tissue. This means prunes don't just slow down muscle loss, they may actually help you gain new strength even after age 60. Prunes are also an excellent source of boron, a trace mineral that helps your body use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D more effectively for strong bones and healthy muscle function. The fiber in prunes helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain steady energy throughout the day. When your blood sugar remains stable, you avoid energy crashes that can leave you feeling weak. Prunes are incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. You can eat them as a snack, chop them into oatmeal or yogurt, add them to smoothies, or blend them with nuts to make energy balls. Because they're naturally sweet with a low glycemic index, they're generally safe for people managing diabetes when consumed in moderation. Fruit number 5. Finally, let's talk about the apple, probably the most familiar fruit on our list and one you likely have in your kitchen right now. You've heard, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but what you might not know is that apples may also keep muscle loss away. This everyday fruit contains a surprisingly powerful combination of nutrients that can help maintain muscle strength and support endurance as you age. The secret lies not just in the sweet flesh, but also in the peel that many people discard. The key compound that makes apples special for muscle health is ursolic acid, found primarily in the apple peel. This natural plant compound has been extensively researched, and scientists have made remarkable discoveries about its ability to promote muscle growth and prevent muscle breakdown. Studies have shown that ursolic acid can actually increase muscle mass and reduce muscle wasting, even in conditions that would normally cause muscle loss. Ursolic acid appears to work by increasing levels of IGF-1, the same muscle-building hormone we discussed with prunes. It may also help lower levels of myostatin, a protein that tells your body to stop building muscle. The lower your myostatin levels, the greater your potential for maintaining and building muscle strength. This is particularly exciting for older adults who may have been told that muscle loss is simply inevitable. Apples are also rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that supports mitochondrial health and helps your cells produce energy more efficiently. When your muscle cells have stronger mitochondria, they work better, recover faster, and resist fatigue for longer periods. This means you can stay active for longer stretches without feeling exhausted. The fiber in apples, particularly pectin, helps reduce inflammation, maintains gut health, and regulates blood sugar levels for steady energy. Research has shown that ursolic acid doesn't just promote muscle growth, it also improves glucose tolerance and reduces fat accumulation, both important markers of healthy aging. To get the most benefit from apples, eat them with the peel on since that's where most of the ursolic acid is concentrated. Choose organic when possible and wash them thoroughly. You can enjoy apples on their own, slice them into oatmeal, pair them with almond butter, or even bake them with cinnamon for a healthy dessert. Bringing it all together. These 5 remarkable fruits, avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prunes, and apple, each bring something unique to supporting muscle health. Together they create a powerful natural strategy for maintaining strength and vitality as you age. The best part is you can find all of them at your local grocery store, and they easily fit into your existing meal patterns without requiring complicated preparations or schedules. Start by choosing 1 or 2 fruits that appeal to you most and focus on making them a consistent part of your routine. You might begin your day with half an avocado on toast and end it with tart cherry juice before bed. Or add apple slices to your morning oatmeal and snack on prunes in the afternoon. The key is consistency rather than perfection. Small, regular actions compound over time to create significant health benefits for your muscle strength and overall well-being. If you're often on the go, apples and prunes are perfectly portable snacks. If you enjoy smoothies, avocado and pomegranate seeds blend beautifully with other ingredients. If you struggle with sleep or muscle soreness, tart cherry juice might become your evening ritual. The goal is to find approaches that feel natural and sustainable for your unique situation. Remember that these fruits work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, adequate protein intake, and sufficient sleep. The compounds in these fruits support muscle health, but they work most effectively when your muscles are being used regularly through walking, light resistance exercises, or daily activities. Even gentle movements like stretching, gardening, or household chores can help your muscles benefit from the nutrients these fruits provide. It's also worth noting that individual responses to foods can vary, and it may take several weeks of consistent consumption to notice significant changes in how you feel. Some people report feeling more energetic or less sore within days of adding these fruits to their routine, while others notice gradual improvements in strength and mobility over several months. Be patient with the process and pay attention to how your body responds. If you're managing specific health conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or kidney problems, it's always wise to discuss dietary changes with your healthcare provider. While these fruits are generally safe and beneficial for most people, your doctor can help you determine the best approach for your individual health needs and any medications you might be taking. The journey to maintaining muscle strength and vitality after 60 doesn't require expensive supplements, complicated exercise programs, or dramatic lifestyle changes. Sometimes the most powerful tools for healthy aging are sitting right there in your local grocery store, waiting to become part of your daily routine. These 5 fruits, avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prunes, and apple, represent nature's gentle but effective approach to supporting muscle health, reducing inflammation, and helping you maintain the independence and strength that matter most. Each of these fruits brings something special to your body's natural ability to heal, recover, and stay strong. The healthy fats in avocados fight inflammation and support muscle function. Tart cherries help your muscles recover and improve your sleep quality. Pomegranates boost circulation and reduce fatigue. Prunes may actually help build new muscle tissue while supporting bone health. And apples, with their ursolic acid-rich peels, work to preserve and potentially increase your muscle mass. The most important thing to remember is that small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in how you feel and function. You don't need to eat all these fruits every day or follow a rigid schedule. Simply choose the ones that appeal to you most and find enjoyable ways to include them in your routine. Whether it's adding avocado to your morning toast, sipping tart cherry juice before bed, or eating an apple with the peel as an afternoon snack, each choice is a step toward supporting your long-term health and mobility. These fruits represent more than just nutrition, they represent hope and empowerment. They're a reminder that aging doesn't have to mean accepting weakness, fatigue, or loss of independence. With the right knowledge and simple, consistent actions, you can support your body's natural ability to stay strong, recover well, and continue enjoying the activities that bring meaning to your life. If this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical health information designed specifically for older adults. Share this video with friends or family members who might benefit from learning about these muscle-supporting fruits. Most importantly, let us know in the comments which of these fruits you're excited to try, which ones you already eat regularly, and how old you are. We love hearing from our viewers and learning about your experiences with natural approaches to healthy aging. Your comments often inspire our future videos and help us create content that truly serves your needs. Remember, taking care of your muscle health is one of the most important investments you can make in your future independence and quality of life. These 5 fruits offer a delicious, natural, and scientifically supported way to support that investment. Here's to staying strong, staying active, and aging with vitality and grace.